I am super grateful and excited about today. We learned so much about everything that has to do with the Film Miami, permits, incentives, how do we need to go about when we're trying to think and plan a production. Now is much better. Not only we understand like what are the opportunities that we have, but also who to call. So thank you so much, Film Miami. This was a great event.
Thank you to Film Miami for hosting us today and teaching us everything we need to know about recording in the city of Miami-Dade and in the city of Miami. They gave us a lot of tips on the free beaches where we can record as well and how to get permits.
Shout out Film Miami!